our way to Key Largo, and it is a nice day. It's sunny, and we had a really good time in Key West, but we are now looking forward to Pennekamp.
John Pennekamp State Park.
Yep, and looking forward to a new place to stay and see what they have to offer there. So we'll check you out there.
Yeah, the plan is that we're going to go get checked in at John Pennekamp, and then, weather permitting, we're going to drive back down the Keys to Islamorada and try to kayak over to Indian Key. All right, so let's hope the weather holds out.
Well, we just got up from taking a nap at our new campground at John Pennekamp, and now we're heading over to do a little kayaking and checking out the ruins at the Indian Key. It's a state park, so we're gonna check out what we can find there at the island. Hopefully we'll find some really cool ruins. All right.
It's an old pirate island.
Yeah. Okay. The beach area where Bloodlines was filmed, and in the show Bloodlines it has a lot of cabanas. Oh, Bloodline.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has a lot of cabanas, and the dock where they showed a lot of... Melissa's first time having key lime pie.
It looks good.
That's the meringue, and then the key lime's in the bottom.
That's very good.
Happy Labor Day. It is a nice and gray day. It's rainy.
Windy.
And windy, yes. And we are just relaxing. We just had some McDonald's to eat. But I do want to say that yesterday we did not get a chance to do Indian Key. It was so windy yesterday and rainy, and we put the kayak in for a few minutes and we realized that the currents were so strong, we were having such a tough time, that we decided to take it out and just enjoy the water there. It was so beautiful anyway. We had a great dinner last night. We went to Sundowners and had some oysters and shrimp on the water. It was a beautiful spot, being able to look out at the sunset. And so we're gonna go back and pack up and be ready to head home. All right, catch you later. Well, we are heading home now, and we had a really good time at Key West. We got to hit all the spots that we'd love to go to, got to share all that with Mellissa. But unfortunately, Key Largo was not as fun as we thought it would be. The weather was just not allowing us to do all the things that we had planned to do. Yeah, we made the best of it. We still had some fun, but we were a little disappointed by that.
Yeah, I don't think Key Largo, it was Key Largo's fault. It was the weather mainly.
Yeah, I'd like to try maybe the Pennekamp another time when we really decide that, and we're able to do some more water activities, boating and kayaking and whatnot. So maybe down the road we'll try it again another time. But well, we are going to be heading home in some rain today, and hopefully that will make it home safely. It's nasty weather. So all right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and give us a like and a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, hit that bell notification and follow us. All right, bye.
One last little bit in closing here. This is why I like to drive to and from the Keys at night. But with this rain, I think we've either had an accident up here or it's just really bad traffic. We are almost in gridlock. And that's the end of the blue ball.